Yeah, this is Mike with Mike's Accessories with the 2020 Polaris RZR Pro XP Ultimate, the Phantom Ghost Project UTV. Today or tomorrow is going to be a very big day with the project, getting the headlights in. We're revealing all the headlights and the headlight manufacturer and everything on the headlights tomorrow. By the weekend, this project is going to look a lot different, get the front end put back together. But today I want to talk about Vosentech, Vosentech. The guy's name's Ivan. He's actually the owner, and he's actually the brains behind what I'm fixing to show you. It's the Microfogger 2. Microfogger was the original one, and now they got the Microfogger 2. I'll show them to you right here. Very cool device and everything like that. They're handheld fog machines, and I'm going to be using them in the Phantom Ghost Project UTV, very similar to what you've seen on the Skull Crusher Project UTVs. YouTube channel that showed all the fog and everything. But this company is a lot better and cheaper. When you go through a company called Look Solutions, you can call that, they're very expensive, and this product is actually better. They're like $1,300 versus these. Let me let you guess. No, not even $300, not even $200. $150 for these. It's very, very cheap, and they're excellent product. I'm fixing to pull some fog out of them. All the technology in the world is in these and everything. Vosentech's Microfogger 2 and everything. That's actually the button. If you don't have a remote control, you can push it by that. And they also got a wire thing that you can plug in to wired to operate it. This is actually a USB cable to charge it. You can see I've got it plugged up there, and then I've got it plugged up to a USB device right there to be able to turn it on. Everything it needs charging. You can see the button down, the blinking down there that is charging everything. You can actually use them while you charge them, area like that, to keep the battery fresh in them. How the technology works is you unscrew this cap right here, flip it over, and then you squirt this fog juice in there. Get in the picture. Yeah, the fog juice right there. And it's got a little channel down inside in there. I'll be doing a video once I install it in it again and everything to show you how it goes. But there's a little channel in this little black piece right there. You turn it upside down, put your fluid in there, and then you tilt your fogger over the Microfogger 2, and you screw the cap back on, and then it sits down there and absorbs into the coil and everything. Like I said, that's a scan code, a VR code, to be able to get to their website. So instead of having to go to Vosentech.com, it'll pull up on your phone and you just click on it. This is their Rake attachment that you can see all those little holes. The fog would push through those holes and everything. Like a Rake attachment, we're probably using that. And then they also comes with a barrels. So what you do with the barrel is you take it and you screw it onto the top of the reservoir right there, and just screws down and tightens up right like that. And then at that point, you can put a hose on it. That's what I'm going to be doing. We're going to be running one of these Microfoggers 2s inside the project and one outside the project. There's the second one right there. And I'm going to be having some fog shoot on the inside and outside. But I guarantee the Microfogger 2 and Vosentech is the best company out there. And very cheap. I mean, $150 for one of these and everything. And you can get the access to getting a remote, wireless remote. And got A, B, C, D, and everything for your A is like for like a preset, and then B is for a lot of fog. C is for medium, and D is, I've been doing a little bit of D because it says right when you first do these to push a little D, the D to do a low level just to get the cool worked in and everything. But I'm gonna go ahead and push B now. Let's see. Look at that. Look at that. It's crazy. Look at that. And I guarantee that you can't beat Vosentech. You can't beat Microfogger 2. Don't choose anybody else besides them. And the price is way better. $150. You can get one of these for $150 for the Microfogger 2. The extra remote does cost I think it's $26 for the remote. And I'd always get the remote. It's well worth $26 for a wireless remote. I mean, this company, Ivan is the builder of everything. Very, very technology type of guy and everything, and reasonable on the prices. I mean, all in all. And like I says, I am the owner of the Phantom Ghost Project UTV. It's well known. I'm well known. Mike with Mike's Accessories, with all the fiberglassing and stuff, and things, and this is going to be in here. So anytime you see me at SEMA this year and some other shows this year, definitely come over and talk to me and everything. And maybe Ivan might be near me and everything. If Ivan's near me and you ask me, I'll get you to Ivan and everything, let you talk to him. But it's all boxed up really nice and everything. This is the other cable that can be used if you want a wired to control the, and also for charging, I think. I think that's charging too. And then they send you the fog fluid and everything. You actually get this one. This is what comes with the kit and everything, unless you ask for the extra fog liquid, and they come in these. Then you got the Rake attachment. You got coils, extra coils. So when you pull that cap off right there, that black cap right there, you'll actually see one of these screws to it, and that's actually the coil and everything. So if you need to change the coil, then you changed it. And they got just a lot. The instructions are great. When you click on that QR code, you'll see all their instructions and everything like that. I'm going to step back. Of course, the fog machines ain't going to be mounted there when I get the project, when I get them in tomorrow and everything. But we'll go ahead and do. Very awesome. Can't beat the product. And remember, $150. That's it. $150 for some high-end technology. Microfogger 2. You'll get on the end on the YouTube channel on this video. I'll put all the description of how you can get with Ivan and get the Microfogger 2 on the Vosentech.com website. And you'll be seeing a lot more of this with the Phantom Ghost project. And get this project done.